In this video, we are going to see how we can download a particular route in Google Maps so that you can use the map offline as well. So for example, you want to download the map for a particular area. What you can do is just go to the profile icon on the top right hand corner and click on offline maps. And here you can select your own map from the bottom. You can specify any location you want. So for example, even if you're exploring some other city, you're moving to some other country just for the visit, you can specify that particular area. Let's say it's this Tajikistan and you want to explore a particular city. You can select that and zoom through that particular city and you can download that specific location, whatever is specified on the map, and click on download. So it will take some time and it will save that map for you, and it shows the expiration date until and unless you update that. So I have saved a couple of downloaded maps here, so I can easily use that even if there is no internet connection or we are in some remote area. So that's basically how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.